How you doing, folks? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 GTO. It's a true 242, numbers matching. It's a super clean California car. It's been redone in Gulf Turquoise, which is the factory color. See the front bumper and the grille, all the originals. Very good condition. Thing's got show quality paint on it. Super slick down the sides. Really nice car, guys. It's got the factory Rally 2s on it with the correct lugs and centers. Tell you, all the panel fitment is beautiful on this car. Gaps are all real nice. See, the rear bumper's been all re-chromed. Tail lights are originals and look good. All the trim stainless looks good. Tell you, I really like this Gulf Turquoise on this car. You can see how slick it is down the sides. And again, this is the numbers matching 400 4-barrel. It's got the 400 turbo trans. It's been updated with disc brakes up front, which are power. It's got power steering. Just a super nice car. You can see how nice and clean it is. The paintwork, everything in the interior looks really nice. It's the original dash. It's all in good shape. Headliner looks nice. Seat covers have been all replaced in it, as well as the door panels. It's got new carpet. See, the jams are real nice. The trunk's really nice in the car. It's got the original jack stickers on the deck lid still. Got the factory jack and spare. See, the trunk floor looks real nice, good clean. Super nice car, guys. It's got the his and her shifter in it. It's got the factory radio in the dash, but it does have an AM/FM cassette mounted in the glove box. I tell you, I really like the turquoise interior in this car. Looks really nice. We'll fire this thing up. Again, it's the numbers matching 400 trans. Just a super nice car, folks. Tell you, super good car. Solid, straight, very nice car. Backup lights, everything work on the car. It's just a super, super nice car, folks. This thing's ready to cruise and show and enjoy it. Just a very, very nice car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.